Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to solve the problem quotient with zero. Quotient with zero. This is the problem we are going to solve today. Okay, let's start the problem. So this is 3000 divided by 5. So you know that quotients with zero. So this is a dividend. You know this. This is a dividend and this is a divisor. So quotients with zero. That means after you divide this, you can get a quotient. So that quotients added with zero. That is the major concept. Okay, so 3000 is divided by 5. First you have to compare with, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and 1000. So you just compare with thousands. That means what is the number in this 1000 place value? 3. 3 is what? Less than what? 5. 3 is less than 5. So what you're going to do, so you must take the next number. That means what is a number? 30 you have to take. So in 30, 5 how many times it goes? So in 30, 5 goes how many times you have to find out. So you must use the fifth table. This 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 5 6 are 30. You have to write 30 here. So 30 minus 30 you can get 0. So not necessary put, just strike out this and have to, after that you have to bring down the 0. So you have to bring down the next two zeros. You have to what? This you have to bring down the 0. So compare with 0 and 5. So definitely you will not divide. So what? 0 I've already told you, that is what is this? I've told you any number is divided by any number. That means for example 2 is divided by 0. It is what? It is it is not when it is meaningless. It is meaningless. Okay, meaningless. That means you cannot you cannot divide by 0. You cannot divide by 0, and also it is a meaningless. There is no meaning for this question. But what you're going to do, 0 is divided by 5. That means the answer, that means 0 is divided by 5. 0 is a what? 0 is a numerator and any number is a denominator. So 0 is divided by 5. You can get a quotient as 0. Okay, so that is what the 20 as a quotient in that particular place. I'll repeat the sum once again. See, now we are going to solve the problem quotients with 0. What is the meaning quotients with 0? Quotients with 0 means, what does that means? This the number is given in the question, that is 3000. That is 3000 is divided by 5. This is a dividend and this is a divisor. So 3000 is a dividend and 5 is a divisor. So you have to what you have to divide. First what you're going to do, that means quotients with the 0 means dividend is divided by divisor. You can get the quotients. So first you have to, once you must write the place value, that is ones, tens, 100, then 1000. So what is the number in the 1000 place? What is the number? That means 3. So you have to compare as it is 3 and 5. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So you should not, you can't divide. So you must take the next number, that is 30. So 30 is divided by 5. So what you're going to, 5 6 are 30. So how many time it goes? So 30 is a dividend. In this dividend, 5 how many time it goes? That means 6 time it goes. So that means 5 6 are 30. So you have to write 30. So 30 minus 30 you can get 0. You must cancel the 0. After that, what is the number? That is, you have to take the 1000 place and 100 place. The remaining is what? Tens and ones place. The 20 you have to bring down and compare with 0 and 5. 0 is what? 0 and 5 means what? 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. So you can't divide. Anyhow, 0 you can't, 0 is less than 5, so you can't divide. What you're going to do, so 0 is less than 5 means what? How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. You have to go to the, you have to what? Take these 2 zeros as a quotient. That is what I'm giving the explanation. So any number is divided by 0, it's meaningless. Any number is divided by 0, that is meaningless. You can't divide by 0. But in that particular place, 0 is divided by 5. 0 is divided by, that is what? 0 is divided by 5 means what you will get? That means I told you 0 is divided by 5 means you can get 0 as a quotient. Okay, but the basic rule is you can't divide 0, but you can divide by the number. 0 is divided by the number, so that is what 0 as a quotient. So you have to write these two zeros as a quotient. That is what quotient with the 0. So this is a quotient and this is a remainder, and I've written very clearly the answers. Q is equal to 600, a remainder is equal to 0. So already I've told you whether the answer is right or wrong. You have to do the check method. Check method, how you're going to do, that is quotient into divisor plus remainder. You can get the what? Dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend. So quotient is what? 600 into divisor means you can get 5. Then multiply, then you can get add with the remainder as a 0. So 6 into 5, what you will get, that is 6 into 5, you can get 30. And after that you have to add these two 0, you can get 3000 plus 0, you can get what? 3000. So 3000 also here. So 3000 is what? 3000 is a what? Dividend. 3000 is a dividend. You can get this dividend. So you can get the question. So exactly what you will find, this quotient and remainder both are correct. Both are correct. Both are correct. This is the exact answer. So quotient with 0, the quotient is 600 and remainder is 0. This is the exact answer for the question.